Welcome back. Now, one question that we often get from many individuals is how do I go about selecting a stockbroker? We'll try to address this question in this video. Broadly, you can divide brokers into two categories. One is a full service broker and the other is a discount broker. Now, a full service broker provides a range of services to their customer apart from executing transactions for their clients. Often full service brokers have a dedicated research desk which provides recommendations to the clients. They may also provide portfolio management, tax planning, retirement planning services, and educational courses for their clients for free or at some extra cost. Discount brokers, on the other hand, do not provide a full range of service to the client. They mostly deal with executing the trade for the clients at much lower cost when compared to a full service broker. They generally also do not provide any investment advice. If you are new to investing, it is better to stay with a full service broker instead of going for a discount broker, as you can get to have a look at a range of investment options and gain knowledge about the markets. Once you have had some experience, it is always possible to shift from a full service broker to a discount broker. It is always important to do your research before selecting your broker. Now we'll outline the different factors that you should consider for evaluating different brokers. The first factor that you should look at is the website availability. Since you would most probably be trading electronically, it is always a good idea to check the availability of the website during peak trading hours. Do check on how fast their website responds. This is especially true for discount brokers. The next factor you should look at is alternative trading facilities. It is important to check what alternative options does the broker provide to take your orders. For example, most brokers provide an option where you can directly call them to place your trades. Also, you should check if they charge a different brokerage on these services. Thirdly, and it is one of the most important factors you should look at, is customer feedback. It is good to consider the feedback of the investment community while choosing a broker, since they speak from their experience of using different brokers on a day-to-day basis. You should search various discussion forums where you can find reviews from the investing community. The next factor you should take into account is the minimum deposit requirements. Now, most brokers ask you to deposit a minimum amount with them. This deposit is often available for you to trade. Sometimes you will also find that the deposit amount is negotiable, especially if you are talking to multiple brokers at the same time. You should let them know that you're talking to multiple brokers because that may help you in getting your minimum deposit requirements lowered. Now, the next important factor to consider is the product selection. See, if you're a beginner, you're probably thinking about trading in stocks, but there are also alternatives available to trade. For example, after you gain some experience, you may like to trade futures and options on stocks. Usually there is substantial difference in brokerage fee for these products between brokers, so you should compare the brokerage fee of different brokerages before choosing a broker. The last factor we'll ask you to definitely consider is the interest you will be offered on your deposit. Now, most brokerages offer a rate of interest on the money deposited with them. Since you are probably going to have some deposit with them at any point in time, you should check and compare the interest rate offered by them on your deposit. Also, many times you will find that many full service brokers give you the facility to make other investments like investing in mutual funds and also buying insurance. You'll usually see that discount brokers do not offer you these facilities. So in this case, while there is substantial price difference between their brokerages, if you are someone who is looking to only invest for the long term and won't be trading frequently, you might be better off by just staying with a full service broker. So it is probably another factor that you would like to consider before making your decision.